What's up, beautiful person watching this video? It's your girl Shan's Night, and I am back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how I use a turmeric mask. I tried a turmeric mask, which is turmeric and honey, for the very first time. I've been having a breakout from wearing the mask because of this whole pandemic, and it has given me a breakout. So I decided that I'm going to try this turmeric mask because I've seen where persons are saying that it does work, and they even put time to it, say it works in 5 days, some say 3 days, but I'm going to be doing the 5-day challenge. So the only thing that you will need for this is your turmeric and your turmeric powder and your honey. The honey hydrates the skin, it gentle exfoliate, and it's a pore cleanser. It also lightens scars, and it has antibacterial in it. Now the turmeric, it removes scars, it clear acne breaks out, it lighten pigmentations, and it lighten dark spots. So as you can see, I'm having some pigmentation problem. I'm having some under the eye darkness, and I'm also having some pimples. So I'm going to be using this for 5 days. So I'm going to be showing you guys the process for 5 days, and then I will give my honest review about this mask. I'm going to be showing you guys how I mix the turmeric and the honey together. So you guys stay tuned. today on day 5, and then tomorrow, which is day 6, I will give the full review of what I think about this mixture. So let's get into the video. So as usual, I've already mixed the ingredients, so I'm gonna apply now. I will give my honest review on how this thing does work, but it's a going with itself a little bit, guys. It's a going. So bye bye, guys, see you in day 6. So guys, the results are in, and this is my face after using the turmeric for 5 days. So turmeric and honey for 5 days. So this is my face. So does this work? All right, well, it does work, because if you guys can see these, I had pimples right here when I started, and they're no longer there, and the spots are now faded. You barely can really see the spots. Here is much more lighter. Underneath my eyes are much more lighter. Over here, the spots are basically gone, and my entire face is just different because my face is much more softer, it's more glowy, and it is smooth, like really smooth, guys. I'm gonna be using it. I'm gonna continue using it, like right here under my eye right here, and I'm gonna focus more under the eyes right here, but the eyes are much more lighter. Underneath my eyes are much more lighter than when I started. My entire face is different. Like, I didn't wear the makeup for 1 week to work because I didn't want to mix the whole thing with the makeup and all of that. But this is it. This is day 6 after using it for 5 days, and this is it. Totally different. So you guys comment down below, let me know if you see any different, if you see any changes, because probably my eyes are tricked me, but this is it. This is it, because as I said in the intro, I got breakout from the wearing the mask consistently. I wear the mask every day and I keep on the mask, so that's what caused my breakout. But I'm gonna ensure I'm gonna be using this mixture, this mask, for a while to see how it does work. Be consistent with it. Like every morning religiously I use it, and I use my wash. Oh, I'm gonna show you guys a wash, and I use my my brush to remove it. Guys, it is messy though. Don't let it catch anything that you want, because it's messy. It's, you know, turmeric is like curry, so it will yellow up your clothes. But other than that, it's good. I am very happy with the result that I got from using it just for 5 days. I started with some huge pimples. You remember on day 4 I had some bright spots, and I was complaining that these spots are too bright. But what the turmeric mask does, it seems like because your face is getting lighter, the spots get more brighter, and then it removes the spots. So if I should continue using this for the 7 days, I know that I would get a better result. So I'm going to continue using it because I want the spots to be gone. But guys, I cannot take away how smooth my face is, how more lighter my face is. My turmeric soap. This is my turmeric and ginger soap that I used to, after I wash off the mask with this, the Noxzema. So it's almost finished, but you put it on your face. It has a little minty thing in it to let it stay, but because when you use the turmeric and honey mask, it does leave your face looking colored, looking yellow a bit, so you have to do something to take off the yellowness. So you don't want to be looking like curry chicken walking around. So what you do is use this after you wash off the mask, and then you put it on it, leave it on it, you see your face, this that is so white will become yellow on your face. And then after that, you use your soap and your little brush and remove it all together, and you have your face looking clear and nice, just like mine. So guys, I thank you so much for watching. If you found this video to be very helpful to you, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. If you have any friends that have any blemishes, any acne, anything like that, that need suggestions on how to remove those acne, please share this video. Let them see that the turmeric and honey mask does work. So I'm giving them hope to see that it does work.